Imagine unlocking the secret to making money in your sleep with AI. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're revealing the game-changing affiliate marketing strategies powered by AI that top earners don't want you to know about. Stay tuned, or you might just miss out on the easiest money-making hack of the decade. Picture unlocking the vast potential of the digital marketplace with a guide that knows every corner better than the back of its hand. That's exactly what AI-driven tools do for market analysis and campaign optimization. These aren't just tools. They're your allies in navigating the complexity of consumer behaviors and market trends, revealing opportunities that are often hidden in plain sight. Now, think about this. Every click, every search, and every online purchase tells a story. AI tools are like master storytellers, piecing together these bits of data to forecast market shifts and identify what products or services are about to soar in popularity. This insight is like finding a map to treasure in the vast ocean of digital commerce. But how do these tools work? They start by automating the grunt work: keyword research, analyzing your competitors, and tracking the performance of various ads. This isn't magic, it's machine learning. By processing huge volumes of data, these tools predict which affiliate products will perform best, allowing you to adjust your strategies with precision never before possible. Imagine launching a campaign and knowing with fair certainty how well it will perform. Adjustments can be made on the fly, ensuring that your affiliate marketing efforts are not just shots in the dark, but targeted strikes. This level of optimization ensures that your marketing budget is used effectively, maximizing your return on investment. And here's the kicker: you don't need to be a data scientist to make these tools work for you. User-friendly platforms have democratized access to AI technologies, enabling affiliate marketers at all levels to make informed decisions and craft winning strategies. But what's the real secret sauce? Integration. When these AI tools are seamlessly integrated into your marketing strategy, they not only illuminate the path to success, but also walk you through it step by step. This is where art meets science and where intuition meets insight. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. I'm curious, have you ever thought about what hidden opportunities AI could uncover for your affiliate marketing campaign? Imagine the power of knowing exactly what your audience wants, even before they click on your site. That's the game-changing advantage AI brings to affiliate marketing. By harnessing machine learning models, businesses can now predict and tailor their marketing messages and product recommendations with incredible precision, ensuring that every interaction feels personally crafted for the individual user. Think of it this way: every visitor has their unique preferences and browsing behaviors. AI studies these patterns, learning from each click, search, and previous purchase to present the most relevant offers. This isn't just a guesswork game anymore. It's a calculated strategy to boost engagement and skyrocket conversion rates. Now, why is this personalization so critical? In a digital world flooded with options, capturing and retaining attention is key. Personalized marketing doesn't just sell a product. It sells an experience tailored to the consumer's specific needs and desires. This level of customization makes users feel understood and valued, dramatically enhancing the effectiveness of affiliate marketing campaigns. But it's not all tech talk. Integrating AI into your marketing strategy injects a human touch into the digital realm. It's about creating connections, building trust, and providing value that's unmistakably tailored to each visitor. This approach doesn't just improve numbers, it builds relationships. How do you think personalization through AI could reshape the way you approach your affiliate marketing efforts?